It's broken.
Hey, take a side.
Oh my god.
Don't worry, I will help you. I am turning round to tow you up. Okay?
Yay!
Thanks for helping me. We also have to think about this road. It's broken and can make trouble for anyone.
Yay, we have to call someone to build this today and now.
Let's go to truck.
Hey, we need help. Can you help us?
Why not? Let's go to work. There I am. It's so deep and big we have to put soil there to fill it. Let's start the work.
Yay!
Okay, let's go.
I think it will not be enough to fill it, but let's see.
Truck is working honestly.
Yes, it's good work, but this need more soil.
I'm on the way, don't worry. Let's go. Wait, my wheels are stuck there. I have to call someone for help. I need help.
Okay, got it. There I am.
I have stuck there, need help.
Okay, let's try together. You have done a great job.
Thanks for appreciating, that's my duty. See you in the right side video, bye.